Hello, good evening. For today's video, tayo po ay nagluto ng dinner. So, ang ating ulam dyan ay may mga crabs, may clam chowder soup, may shrimp. So, tara, kain na. At ako'y gutom na gutom na. This is our dinner for tonight. So, kain na po. Thank you for watching and for your love and support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So once again, this is Lance Liam Chumosky. Yung pronunciation ng